Welcome to a new session of interview questions and answers. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started. Question number 1. How do you celebrate New Year? The majority of people spend New Year's Eve with their closest social networks. Traditional things to do on New Year's Eve include getting together with friends, watching fireworks, and going to local attractions. Gift giving and New Year's resolutions are popular customs. Question number 2. Do you like New Year holiday? Absolutely. I enjoy New Year's Eve parties because it allows me to reflect on the previous year and begin the new year with hope and optimism. Question number 3. Do you believe New Year is a day to be celebrated? In my opinion, New Year's Day is worthy of celebration. It's a time to reflect on the past year, set goals for the coming year, and look forward to it with excitement and anticipation. Question number 4. Do all people in your country celebrate New Year? Not everyone in my country celebrates New Year. Some people follow different beliefs or traditions instead. Question number 5. How do most people celebrate New Year in your country? Most people in my nation celebrate the New Year by meeting with friends and family, giving presents, and setting goals. Fireworks are another traditional method to welcome in the new year. Question number 6. Is there anything you do not like about New Year? I dislike how some people use the New Year as an excuse to act irresponsibly and get drunk. I prefer to celebrate the New Year with a sense of joy and introspection, rather than by drinking excessively and attending numerous parties. Question number 7. Do you still remember a New Year that you celebrated? Yes, I can still remember a New Year's party I went to a few years ago. My family and friends and I exchanged gifts and drank mocktails to celebrate the new year. Along with watching the fireworks, we talked about what we wanted to happen in the coming year. Question number 8. What is your opinion on having to work on New Year's Day? It makes me sad to think that some people will have to work on a day that should be a holiday for everyone. I think everyone should have the day off to spend time with their families and think about the past year. Question number 9. Why do people think New Year is a new beginning? People consider the New Year to be a new beginning because it represents the end of one year and the beginning of another. It is an opportunity to look back on the past and create goals for the future. It's time to start again and make a new beginning. Question number 10. Do you usually spend time with friends or family on New Year? Sure, I normally spend New Year's Eve with both friends and family. We come together, exchange presents, make resolutions, and share a meal. We also like watching fireworks and spending time together. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. T0, thank you very much.